Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I know you own a YouTube channel, that's why you're watching this video. Now I want to show you how to create a YouTube subscriber link. A link that when they click, they'll be prompted to subscribe to your channel. This is very key because it's going to help you to increase your subscription rate. Okay, when people find it easy to subscribe, they will easily subscribe. So you can share this link on social media platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok, wherever. So when people click on it, they will subscribe before they start watching your video. Now, how do you do that? I want to assume you already own a channel. This is how your regular channel is. The YouTube / your channel name. Now all you need to do is to add this short code $, sub underscore confirmation is equals to 1. Just add this code to your channel. The moment you do that, when somebody click that link, this is what is going to happen. The person will be redirected to your channel. I'll be prompted to subscribe. You see there? So that's just how it works. So all you need, just copy this code, add it to your channel link, boom, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, I beg you, hit the subscribe bell and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop valuable content like this. Okay, and for those of you that are returning subscribers, I am grateful. Thank you for subscribing. Please help me share this video and other videos in my channel. Share them, comment, like this video. Thank you so much. All right guys, bye.